Hey guys, welcome to Anim Dojo. So just to explain what this is all about. So as you can see, this is what the website looks like at the moment, and it's going to be more things added to it as we go along. But just to explain really quickly, the way we do it is we don't focus on long projects. We do little quick exercises that you can do in your own free time. So if you only have a few hours a week, that's perfect. If you have more, you'll get more out of it. But the idea is that we make it really affordable so that you can practice in your own time, and it's a bit more targeted. So, for example, if you were to have the account all set up, we would have all the videos, and we're adding more to this as we go along. So you'd watch all the animators checklist stuff. You've got then stuff that focuses more on how you would work within a studio, and etc. And we're adding more as we go along. And then the main thing that we do is our live sessions. So every one of these is live, and me or any other coach would animate with you. You can interact, ask questions, and you'd be able to practice the short, quick exercises that target specific animation techniques. So, for example, there'll be one that focuses on breakdowns, one that focuses on timing. Um, there'll be exercises that target your ability to construct a shot pretty quickly, and the idea isn't to make something that is complete and finished, rather to focus on making you a better animator. So this is perfect if you've just graduated, if you're thinking about studying animation, or even if you're an animator yourself. This really could be for any skill level, as long as you know what you want out of your career. There are people who have taken the course as animators and they've progressed really rapidly, and there are others who have taken it who are juniors and they've progressed pretty rapidly as well. So things also that we have is the ability to interact with the community, but the main things that we're adding as well are pop quizzes that ask you to have to explain things, and this is one of the main things we're trying to add is peer-to-peer critique, peer-to-peer discussions, and that's one of the main ways we want you to learn, is that you can become critiquing, self-sufficient, and a bit more capable of gaining confidence in your own work. We're adding pro reviews where you'll be able to get feedback from animators and leads if you want, when you are ready to get that kind of level of feedback. And finally, a big part of it is going to be employment and how we can help you to get that job. So once you finish and you're ready, and you've gotten that critique, and you're capable of handling the quotas that come in animation production, you'll be put onto this list, which then gets sent out to employers, and employers will have the ability to check where you are at the moment, if you're employed or looking for work. So there's a lot of great things coming, and just wanted to say that really excited to have you guys join us in our free live session, which we're doing Friday the 8th, and you'll be able to get a glimpse of the kind of stuff that gets talked about during the live sessions. And yeah, excited to see you there. So see you soon.